everyone, welcome back to my channel Fiana Fashion Forward. So today I have a really fun and interesting video for you guys. So it is really important to get to know your hair care routine so that you can have the most beautiful hair of your life. So today I am here with a curly girl hair care routine. So if you would like to know what products I use to maintain my curly hair, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share this video with your friends. So let's move forward with the video. So the first and foremost thing I would like to talk about is detangling your hair. So for combing your hair, I would suggest that you use a wide tooth comb that has thick bristles so that your curls have the definition you require, and also it makes it really simple to untangle your hair. And the quick tip I would like to give to you guys is always begin with the bottom part of your hair and then move upwards. So this gives us a chance of lesser breakage, and also this will help in maintaining the definition of your curls. So now we will move on to the washing hair technique, and for that what I like to prefer doing is that I always work on a pre-conditioning method. So what I like to do is that you can 2 or 3 hours before you shampoo your hair, what you can do is that take any sort of oil or conditioner. I like to use the Mamaearth onion conditioner. This is the bottle which I use, and I take like small sections of my hair and then I just massage the conditioner on my hair. So before doing this step, make sure that your hair is slightly damp. So you can take a spray bottle with normal water and spray your mid-lengths and ends so that your hair is like slightly damp, and then take this Mamaearth conditioner and start by taking small sections, and then you can apply the whole product all over your hair and let it sit for at least 2 to 3 hours before you shampoo, and that will give your hair the maximum moisture retention, and it will also make your hair really beautiful. So now we move on to the shampooing method, and for shampoo I like to use this Herbal Essences coconut milk variant, and this particular shampoo I feel is quite hydrating for my hair. And it's recommended that you use like shampoo twice per week, because that won't dry out your hair that much, and it will help in maintaining the moisture in your hair locks. So what I do is that I just take like 1 or 2 coin size amount of this shampoo, and then I dilute it with water, and then I apply it on the scalp, and whatever lather is formed I just continue it to my ends. Do not directly shampoo your ends, that will make your hair really dry and brittle. So that is the trick I use for my hair. And for shampoo recommendations, I would like to recommend the Herbal Essences coconut milk shampoo. Even the argan oil variant is quite good. This particular one is my second bottle, and I quite prefer coconut based shampoos. And other different shampoos I would like to recommend is the Garnier Ultra Dukes one, that is like a wide sort of a packaging. And also you can try the Head and Shoulders anti-dandruff one if you want to look for anti-dandruff range. Then the mint one is quite good. I also like to use that in between when I am looking for a scalp detox, then I use that way. Let your hair air dry, and that helps in preventing any sort of heat damage, and also it maintains the bounce of the hair too. And the conditioner or any leave-in product, if you apply, use a scrunching sort of a motion that will give the curls a really nice ringlet kind of a formation. So after that I would like to talk about hair masks. So I particularly feel that hair masks are your best friend when you have dry or frizzy hair like me, and I've used a lot of hair masks in my life, and some of them I would like to recommend is the Streaks one. It comes in a yellow packaging, and all the products which I am speaking about will be linked in the description box, so do not forget to check that out. And if there are any offers also, you'll come to know. So there's also this argan softening hair cream. This is by the brand Good Vibes, and I am almost out of this. This is quite a good product, and I will link my hair spa video about. You can check out how I do hair spa at home. So personally, I would recommend you to do a hair spa at least once a month. That will really help your hair, softening the curls and bringing out the beautiful texture of your natural hair type. So another important step of hair care is hair serums. So serums are really important because they provide the nourishment your hair needs. They also protect your hair from damage and give a nice beautiful shine to your hair. So personally, for dry and dull hair, I would like to recommend argan oil based serums. So there's this one which is like an argan oil from Marrakesh, and this is what the product looks like. And I've actually gone through that bottle, and that particular product is like a star product. It will give you beautiful and defined curls. It will also take care of your frizziness. So another drugstore affordable product are these Streaks hair serums. This particular one contains walnut oil, and walnut oil is like quite good for nourishing your split, dry and damaged hair type. And I would personally recommend this using it like overnight. You can take like 2-3 bumps of this and just massage it on your hair very gently, and then you can wrap up your hair on your scalp area, and then just make like a donut here. And this particular serum will work magic overnight, and when you wake up in the morning, you'll wake up with beautiful shiny hair, and you need not even go to any sort of salon for styling, because this product also takes care of styling and all. It will work really beautifully, and it will help in definition too. So last but not the least, we'll move on to hair styling products. But before styling your hair, you must use a heat protecting spray. This particular one is by Berina. It's the hair heat protector, and this is for 530 rupees, but you can get any sort of discount online. You can check that out. But this is like quite a good product. It will protect your hair from damage, and it will also ensure that your hair does not break due to the heat you apply. I would like to suggest that if you have curly hair type, and after you just entangle it, you feel that the curls have loosened and they have become more of a wavy texture, you can use a curling rod. I personally use the Berina one only, and that will provide your curls like a nice bounce and definition. But if you would like to use a straightening sort of a straightener, you can try various brands like Alan Truman, and also Coriolis makes some really sturdy and amazing straighteners. The straighteners by GHD brand are also quite amazing. And after you straightened or curled your hair, you need to hold the styling in place. So for that, I will recommend this Berina Gold Super Firm Hold Spray. This has pro vitamin B5 that gives like a lasting hold and finish to your hair. So this will take care of the grip of your hair and also provide like a shiny finish to your hair. So this was my hair care routine. Do let me know what products are your favorite. If you would like to recommend me any products to try, then you can just comment below with that. And also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. There is a huge giveaway coming your way very soon. Till then, take care. Bye.